Hello guys, I'm back and today we're going to be doing a Lego fridge. Well, and some sodas in there. Well, these bits are the sodas and these bits are kind of the things, the fridge. So, let's get started. Okay guys, that's the fridge. Well, actually, it's not actually the fridge yet. Just have to put this little piece on here. And then it's finished. So we're going to take that off and do the sodas. Well, okay guys, so I'm just going to put the brown soda on. This one? Huh? This one? This one, but it's poisonous. And this one. So let's combine the sodas with it. Put the brown soda in and the yellow soda downstairs, and put these two in the freezer bit. This is the freezer. And there you go. You have a wonderful fridge. Thank you so much for watching another Pop Minecraft Not video. And you know my old saying, see you next week in another Pop Minecraft Not video. Toodaloo, everyone.